So as soon as you receive the source, the URL for this page, you click on it, it will take you to this page, and then click to download this JSON file. And once it opened up, unzip it. Just remember where you're unzipping it. Choose a folder that you can remember. And unzip this JSON file. So after you are done with this, let me bring this external jar file. What is jar? It's a Java archive file. It is sort of kind of a zip file. It has a collection of classes which will help us do some JSON with Java. So let me close our previous examples and let's right click on the project. And after you right click on the project, go to the properties. Okay, right click on the project, go to the properties, then click on Java build path. Then click on add external jars. Then you go to the location where your JSON file is that you unzipped. You double click on it, it will now be added to your list of libraries, and then you apply and close. Now we will learn the reverse process. For example, I will feed in the JSON format and we will decode it. So right now we were encoding. All the examples that we did so far, we were encoding to the JSON format. Now we will decode from the JSON format. Okay? So now let's create our next example as JSON Decode example 1. In this example, I will produce a long string in which I will put values in curly braces in a JSON format. If you remember, in JSON, it is always a name and a value pair, right? However, when you write something like this in Java, it doesn't understand the double quotes and the double quotes as echoable double quotes. You have to precede them with backslashes to tell that these are echoable double quotes on the screen. Likewise, I will do with age backslash double quotes, backslash double quotes, colon, backslash double quote, backslash double quotes, comma. I know it's a little bit tedious, but it's so that you could see how it is used. The next thing I do is I use my JSON value class and parse the string into an object form. And then I can cast it. I could do it in 2 lines or I could do it in 1 line. I'm just doing it in 2 lines to break it down for you guys. And then I can take my object and cast it to the JSON object type. And this is very similar to what we did in the graphical user interface example. If you remember, in the action listener, we were casting the object to the button type or object to the radio button or object to the checkbox. This is similar process, now casting object to the JSON object type. Now, remember that this JSON object has 3 properties, which are name, age, and salary. So the JSON object has a built-in method called get, and if you pass a property, it will return the value of the property. So string str, a string name equals to JSON object dot get name double salary equals to double JSON object dot get line number 14. Oh, okay. Oh, I made a mistake here. I push these into the double quotes. I should remove the double quotes from these guys because they are being treated as strings. So drop the double quotes from 29 and drop the double quotes. So I will share with you the updated string in the chat. Yeah, that should work now.